Holding in a sneeze? You might want to think twice. Here's why. When you sneeze, air rushes out at up to 100 miles per hour, holding it in traps that pressure inside your body. That pressure has to go somewhere. It can damage your eardrums, burst blood vessels in your eyes, or even rupture tiny vessels in your nose. In rare cases, the pressure can travel to your throat or chest, causing serious injuries like a collapsed lung. Yikes. Next time you feel a sneeze coming on, let it out. Your body will thank you. Remember, sneezing is your body's way of protecting you. Don't hold it in.